Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Optifine. So first of all, you want to go to your browser, go to optifine.net official website. Then at the top you're going to click downloads, and then you will see here the latest version, and you can go ahead and download it just like so. After that, you will see it, for example, I added to my desktop. Also guys, you need to have a Java installer here. So you want to go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. So download Java for desktops. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and of course set it up. Now we want to open Optifine with Java. So we're just going to right click on it, go to Java, and you will see this on installer. You're going to go ahead and click install. And after that, you will see this pop up. Optifine is successfully installed. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.